Capricorn. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a lovely day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so let's start. So this is the message for 2022. So how your 2022 will be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Let's see what is the overall energy for 2022 for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. Let's see the message for you guys. Oh wow, we have in the hand, the universe is your partner. Wow, that's so beautiful, Capricorns. So you don't have to worry because you are working with the universe and you are so protected. When you're co-creating with universe, so when we co-create with universe, definitely everything happens for our highest good, and things are so easy when we create with universe. So you're very protected in 2022. You don't have to worry about anything, I feel like. So it's a year where you're blessed, I feel like, with this hand. Whenever you want help, the help will be given to you, guys. So if you ask for help, you will receive that help. So this is, we have the number 31, and 31 reduces to 4. So this is a year of stability, security, feeling secure, feeling stable from inside, right? Feeling that calmness from inside, feeling peace, right? A lot of peace, because you know that divine is protecting you, right? Capricorn's divine is protecting you. With this card, the strong message is like you are protected. You don't have to worry about your protection, your stability, your security. You are guided at every step. Whenever you need protection, you will be given the protection, right? So you will like, I feel like for you guys, nothing is a coincidence, everything is God incidence, I have to say, for you guys, because you will have a lot of signs, you will see a lot of signs, because universe is working with you. So definitely there are a lot of signs that you will be seeing, a lot of numbers, 111, 222 in the year 2022. You are making your connection with this universe is becoming very strong. You're getting one with universe and it's beautiful. I feel like with this card, all I have to say is that you're protected, you're blessed. That's what I'm getting here. So 2022 looks good for you guys. Yeah. So let's see what else for Capricorns. Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. And I even feel like that you will be letting go of your ego, because you're working with universe. So I feel like you will be working on yourself. You will be you will be realizing your own self that is not good, like letting go of your ego, letting go of that fear, right? So yeah, so you will be working on yourself as well. I feel like that ego is like sometimes because of ego, because of our fear, we don't achieve the things that we want in our life, right? We have this fear, and I feel like you're letting go of that fear. You're not holding on to the things that is not good for you. You're trusting universe. Trust. This year is like, I'm getting a lot of unexpected twists and turns will happen, and you will be like, wow, you will be like so amazed by the miracles of the universe. You will be seeing the small miracles. That also I'm getting here, and you will be so amazed. Like you'll be like, wow, universe is so good. Like wow, like that energy I'm feeling from you guys. So yeah, like you will see certain signs, and you will be like, oh, like that kind of energy I'm getting from you. Wow. So a lot of magical moments will happen in 2022 for you guys. So let's see, Capricorns. Maybe for some of you don't even believe in these kind of magical moments, like there is nothing, things like miracles and all, there is nothing like that, and maybe you are like that kind of people. And I feel like in 2022 You will be seeing the miracles. And you are going to believe in it. That's the awesome part. So let's see. Yeah. You have sacrificed, like with this card, what I'm getting, like you have given a lot. You have given a lot to other people. Now this is the time to connect with the universe and do things for yourself. Yeah, maybe you have sacrificed a lot for other people. You have given a lot to other people. But this is the year where you need to get in touch with yourself, make a connection with spirit. Instead of like working, take some time out, relax. Maybe you are in this yang energy where every time you're in this masculine energy. So now is the time to get into the seeing energy, connecting with yourself, nurturing your body, taking care of your body, eating healthy food, right? This is a year for doing that, I'm getting like. Yeah, not sacrificing a lot. Maybe you have been doing that, so it's a time to give something to yourself as well. So yeah, that's what I'm getting. Taking care of your health, maybe because of giving to other people your health is not so good. So this is a time to work with universe, to heal, to nurture yourself, to connect with Mother Earth Gaia, to see the miracles of the nature, to believe in small signs, the coincidence that you will see, it will be so magical. So that this is the time to do that. It's not the time to chase someone or something. It's time to get into this energy of yin. You have been in this masculine energy, so our yin and yang should be balanced, right? I feel like it's imbalanced, and you're making that balance in this year. So that's something I'm getting here. Look, fearless, becoming more fearless, trusting spirit in everything, not chasing things, right? So maybe you feel like that we have to chase things. If we want something, we have to sacrifice, we have to do that hard work, we have to I'm getting this mantra, no gain, no pain, no gain. Maybe that is your mantra, but I feel like that is going to change for you guys in 2022. Like you're getting in alignment with spirit, getting in alignment with universe, and understanding that sometimes we need to do smart work. Only hard work, no, right? So that's something I'm getting. Sometimes without pain also you can make that gain. I just feel like that is what is coming, right? Sometimes when we are in alignment with spirit, we can gain things might become easy. You don't have to give that much, like you don't have to sweat blood, I'm getting here, right? Maybe for some of you, you have been doing it. Life was like a war, right? So finally, like work, then come like working hard all the time, thinking about work. Finally, you don't have to you don't have time to sit with yourself, connect with nature. No, you don't have time to take a break, you don't have time to go on a vacation. So finally, this is the time, this is the year where you will be relaxing a bit, I'm getting here. So yeah. And like sometimes because of our own fear, we chase, like what if my position will go, what if like this person takes my position. Like we have this ego, like this masculinity, like I'm getting this ego. That is what you're letting go of. And it will take, like you have the fear of losing things, like, oh, what if this happens and I lose this job or this position. So you have to fight every day. But when we connect with the universe, what happens is we look into ourselves and change the habits that is not helping us in any way. So this is the year I feel like you will be doing that. So a lot of shifts, major shift for you guys, inner shift, believing in the universe. You are going to like it's like a lot of new knowledge, new information you're getting. And maybe you're the ones who don't even watch tarot, and now you're watching it. So it's something like that I'm getting here for you guys, for some of you. Let's see what else. So let's see, let's dig deeper for Capricorns. I have to say your vibration is rising. Definitely I see that for you guys. You're getting out of this fear-based energy and you're balancing your energies. Page of Cups. Maybe I feel like a person might influence you in this. This Page of Cups, maybe a younger person might give you some information that might change your perception about something. Like you will have a talk with this person, and because of it, things might shift for you guys. Yeah, or maybe you have already like already you are making that shift, already you're changing, you're getting a lot of information, you're changing your ways. For some of you it's like getting rid of your addictions, you're addicted to something, you're getting rid of it, you're changing your habits, you're working on yourself, you're working on your shadow self, you're seeing the seeing your own faults. Sometimes it's very easy to see the faults of other people, we don't see our own faults. So this is here, I feel like you're seeing your own faults, you're working on that, right? Maybe some younger person might have influenced you in some way. Yeah, so yeah, that's also I'm getting here. Maybe a younger person might be of influence with this Page of Cups energy I'm getting here. Yeah, okay, maybe this is a friend now for you guys, or maybe you will be becoming friends with the person who is younger than you, who is a little bit playful, immature, but they're very wise. I don't know, very wise person this is, and they're giving you guidance, and you're making a solid connection with this person. They are helping you, they're guiding you, they are like it's like they're helping you to understand your own faults, what you need to change in your own life, and they are helping you to make a solid connection with universe. That's what I feel like. Maybe you were the people who never believed in universe. No, that is not like that. We have to work hard, we have to work hard for each penny. So this person is changing your concept about life in a way. They're giving you information that you never knew existed, right? So that's something I'm getting here. Let's see what else. Yeah, with this Four of Pentacles, they are taking you out of your comfort zone. They are telling you to do something different. So yeah, definitely a younger person is going to impact you, and this person is going to become your friend. I'm getting like that. This person is going to take you out of this comfort zone, and yeah, telling you that with this Four of Pentacles is someone who is hoarding, who has the finances, but they're so worried about their finances. Maybe you're like that, you have enough, but you chase, you want to make more, and finally this person is making that change in you, and making you understand that life is more than that. You can enjoy life and be happy. You don't have to chase everything, you can attract things. Like, yeah, I feel like that's what I feel like for some of you, your friend groups are also changing. Maybe this person will make you introduced to different people, and you will be getting connected with them. Maybe this is an online friend of yours you're connecting with. Yeah, so yeah, this person is going to influence you. Even though this person is young, this person is very wise. So let's see what else for you guys. Yeah, fairy magic. Yeah, there because of this person you are having more fun. That is also I'm getting. Maybe in life you don't have that much fun. For you guys, work is important. Work, family, life, work. No fun. So not going out, making money. So it's like this person is coming with a lot of fun energy. They are showing you the fun part of the life, the magical aspects of life, right? How we can be happy with our life. Maybe you have everything but you're not happy, so they're showing you a different side of the life that you haven't seen. Yeah, maybe this is a person who is influencing you online. Like maybe you watch their YouTube channel, maybe by their YouTube channel you're getting influenced. That can also be the thing, right? So yeah, so that's something I'm getting. Your life is like a little bit becoming more playful. You're enjoying your life more. It's not this everyday routine. Your routine is changing. You're not sacrificing things. You're getting out of your comfort zone. You're not afraid to lose anything. You're not chasing things. So there is definitely a vibration is changing. you're from the vibration of fear, you're coming up, I feel like, to the vibration of love, where you're trusting universe, because your first card is in the hands of the universe. So finally you're trusting universe, right? So that's something I'm getting here. Very different messages. So let's see for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. Wow, lovers. For some of you, okay, I feel like maybe you will have a relationship with a younger person. That is also quite possible for some of you. And with this relationship, you might change. Maybe you will meet this person, you will have this relationship, and this person is going to impact you in so many ways. And and I'm getting like positive outcomes are going to happen in your lives. So it's like your love situation is going to be so good. Like you will receive a lot of guidance from this person. You will be changing your habits, you will be working on yourself. Life is going to be amazing. Like this, look at the card, there's so much of I'm seeing like lot of peace here, there is a lot of love. So you are coming in this vibration of love, you're leveling up, your vibration is like rising. That's what I'm getting here. Look, we have this card here where this person is like sacrificing, they don't know, they're feeling like depressed and all. Here look, they have someone and they're hugging and they're feeling so happy, they're feeling fulfilled. So maybe for some of you, you have someone who is going to impact you, who is younger than you. Definitely this can turn into a love relationship. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. But definitely positive outcomes, positive outcomes. And we have 6 number also. 6 number is also about like after challenges, harmony is coming, domestic harmony for some of you. Yeah, some of your domestic harmony. Maybe if you're in a relationship, long time relationship, maybe your partner is influencing you in some way, and they are changing the way you look at things. They are helping you to change it, and because of it your ego is dissolving, like the ego is dissipating, like the negativity is dissipating, like something like that I'm getting here for you guys here. And you are understanding that you can live a life of happiness. You don't have to worry all the time, you don't have to chase things all the time, right? You can enjoy life and be happy and have everything. So that's something I'm getting. So yeah, wow, that's beautiful. So let's see. Honeymoon. For some of you, maybe this is a new person in your life. Maybe you will be traveling together, enjoying life. Or if you're in long-term relationship, like after 15 years of marriage, you're going out, you're spending some quality time in 2022, like finally I'm not going to work, I'm just going to take like 5-day break and I'm going to enjoy life. So maybe for some of you, yeah, this person is going to, like your partner may be doing some spiritual work. Because of your partner, it's affecting you and you're making the changes. So life is going to get beautiful. That's what I'm getting here. For some of you, that is also. And for others, it's like you're meeting someone new. This person is definitely younger than you, and things are moving forward. You're traveling together, you're having the happy gala time, enjoying life, right? Getting passion. Look, wow, finally the passion is back. So if you're in a committed relationship, long-time relationship, the passion is back. You're like the first time you met, you're like that kind of passion. For some of you, definitely this is a new relationship where you're feeling very passionate. Yeah, so the passion is returning. You have the passion to live the life. Maybe you were like feeling like full tired. Now finally in 2022, you have the passion. You have like, yes, I want to do this, I have this passion, I will just explore that. Like you want to do so many things, you have the energy to do so many things, and you're feeling fulfilled, you're feeling happy, right? So that's something. So a relationship, if you're single, someone is going to enter into your life, a young person. They're going to influence you in so many ways. You're going to change so much things about yourself. Maybe your bad habits you're going to get rid of. Maybe if you're addicted to something, you're going to get rid of. This person will help you with that. You're changing your like life in a big way, okay, and you're getting that passion again. You're like living life. You used to just go with the daily task, like, yeah, I'm here, so I have to live, so I'm just going to do until I die, like that kind of energy is shifting. Now you're like living the life, like you have this passion inside of you, you're enjoying your days, right? So yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Wow. So let's see what else for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. Lady Venus downloads and understanding. Truth has been revealed. Deep insights are coming from heaven and the astral realm. So with this, I'm getting like a thing. You're understanding life. You're understanding universe. The concept that you have about life is changing. It's changing. The way you used to like look at, the way you used to think about universe or the world is entirely different now. In 2022, your concept is changing. An entirely different reality for you guys. Like the way you were living, you will be like, yeah, why I was doing that? Why? Life is so amazing. Like your vibration is like high. Oh, because of my thinking, my life was like this. Like I changed my thinking. Now look, my life is so amazing. So you're getting the information that you never thought existed, because no one around us teached us like the universal power, universal laws, how universe work, how we can tap into the energy of the universe, how we can manifest things, right? You thought that life is tough, life has to be sad, life is a war, but the concept is changing and you're finally enjoying life, right? Yeah, you're taking the care, you're caring for yourself. The place you were growing, there was people never told about self love, right? Standing up for ourselves is not possible there. Like maybe for you guys, you lived in an environment where no one told to take care of yourself, right? So you didn't, and finally this person is telling you to take care of yourself, to do the self love, to take care of your health, to take care of your energy, right? Finally taking care of yourself, you're doing that. Finally letting go of that people pleasing, pleasing the society. You're like out. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. So let's see. You're going into an entire different reality, I'm getting here, like that. So let's see. Love. Yeah, love is in the air. Great time for communication, taking relationship to the next level. So definitely, as I told you, someone younger is definitely going to influence you. Yeah. I even feel like that if you're an older watching this, maybe this is someone, maybe your grandson or your granddaughter or your children are influencing in your way. They're telling to live your life, they're showing you different direction, they're giving you the information. So finally you are feeling passionate about life, you're getting that energy, you're loving yourself. Like that is also I'm getting here for you guys, some of you, right? You're caring for yourself. Maybe you cared for other people, you always took care of other people, but you never cared for yourself. Finally you're caring for yourself, you're doing the things that you always wanted to do, but you felt like, no, my life is like, I'm this age, I cannot do that, so I'm not going to do it. So finally you're doing the things that you always wanted to. Sometimes we dream of things, but we feel like the age is past, so we cannot do it. Finally you're doing it in 2022. So let's see, what is the affirmation for you guys for 2022? Maybe if you feel called to write it down, if you have a journal, write it down and read it every day if you want to. Okay, it's up to you. So let's see the affirmations. So let's see what is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. I prosper wherever I turn. Wow, yeah, you are going to prosper because you are in the hands of universe, right? You are so protected. You're blessed. You're blessed. That's what I have to say. You're protected. You're blessed. For the year 2022, you're protected. You're blessed. And I prosper wherever I turn. So, this is the affirmation, such a beautiful affirmation. I now see opportunities for abundance everywhere. I am blessed and prospered. So, wherever you go, you prosper. So, let's see the charms. What the charms have to add to this, Capricorn. Yeah, you're making a decision finally. Finally. Unity. I'm getting with these two charms, unity is coming. Your divine masculine, divine feminine energy is like coming together. You're balancing things. Harmony, balance. Letting go of that ego, letting go of that fear, right? Flying high, seeing the magical things, believing in unicorns. Maybe for some of you never believed in these kind of things. So finally believing in these kind of things, believing in the universe, believing in the science, believing in angels, spirit guides. And we have the music. Look, we have the music charm. For some of you, your passion is music. Maybe you are going to follow that. Maybe you were told that music will not give you that abundance that you need. Finally, you're following the passion of music. Whatever age you are, finally you're singing again, like making music again. And for others, it's like when you listen to good music, when you listen to meditation music, you are in touch with universe. Universe can give you guidance, or through songs you get a lot of guidance. So yeah. And look, you're healing. Definitely you're healing. You're healing. Yeah, with the starfish. And look, we are angels. Yeah, angels are near you. They are guiding you. With this unicorn and angels, what I'm getting is like clearly, finally you're believing in universe. Finally you're believing the magical stuff. And we have 4-leaf clover also. So yeah, luck is there. Good fortune is there for you guys. And I feel like this good fortune is like you are getting that knowledge, that information about universe, like how universe works, how we can make our life easy, how we can be happy, how we can be joyful, right? You're getting that information, and that information can be good fortune for you guys. Yeah. So yeah, you're loving yourself. Love me with this. You're taking care of yourself. You're making self-care a priority. Yeah, you're standing up for yourself. Like you are, yeah, the wisdom. You're unlocking the wisdom. You're unlocking your own power. You're believing in yourself. So we have T, D and D. Yeah. So that's all I have for Capricorn. I hope you like the reading. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.